Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, everyone.
Yeah.
Pakistan, India, hope everyone is doing well.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Yeah. Today we are going to check Hyderabad, India versus Hyderabad, Pakistan. So myself, Gabs Gabi from South Sudan in Africa. Welcome.
I'm here from Sudan.
Yeah. So currently we are in India, guys.
Yeah.
He visit Hyderabad and I visit Hyderabad.
Yeah.
I even explored Hyderabad.
But Indian Hyderabad, not Pakistan.
Indian Hyderabad, yes. We don't know anything about
Pakistan. We are curious to know.
yeah, about Hyderabad, Pakistan. So we are going to check the difference in this video and we'll tell you later what is the difference according to our own experience because we saw Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, we saw the Indian Hyderabad. So without wasting time, let's go.
Hello guys, today we see Indian city of Hyderabad versus Pakistan city of Hyderabad. Let's welcome our Data Duck YouTube channel. City of Telangana from India, Sindh from Pakistan. Type municipal corporation for both Hyderabad. Established 1591 age is 431 years, 1768 age 254 years.
Hyderabad.
Area 650 square kilometers, 1740 square kilometers. Population 10.5 million, 1.9 million. Density 16,153 per square kilometer, 1091 per square kilometer. GDP for nominal $83.5 billion, $3.8 billion. GDP per capita $7,952, $1,999. GDP for PPP $273.4 billion, $13 billion. GDP per capita for PPP $26,038, $6,842. Most spoken language Telugu 6.2 million, Sindhi 825,000. Most followed religion Hinduism 6.8 million, Islam 1.77 million. HDI 0.786, 0.716, both are high. Crime rate 43.68, 43.31. Safety rate 56.32, 56.69. Literacy rate 90.26%, 69%. Biggest stadium Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium 55,000, Niaz Stadium 15,000. Tallest building Lodha Belitsa Towers 153 meter, not known. Population growth 1950 1,242,000, 2000 5.6 million, 1.2 million, 2022 10.5 million, 1.9 million. Population growth in between 1950 to 2022 950%, 685%. Gender ratio for female per male 1046 per 1000, 1000 per 1085. Internet users 1.35 million, 8.3 million. Religion percentage Hinduism dominated by Indian Hyderabad and followed by Islam and etc. Islam dominated by Pakistan Hyderabad and followed by Hinduism and etc. Average monthly income $166, $662. Urban population both are 100%. Age structure 0 to 14 years 27.93%, 35.48%, 15 to 64 years 60.21%, 66.27%, more than 65 years 4.31%, 5.79%. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching.
And thanks for being here, guys.
Yeah.
So India Hyderabad is huge. I never expected that, because the population of my country, South Sudan, is 12 million. What I know, but I think currently maybe it might be 13 million or maybe less than that.
Yeah.
Maybe increasing or decrease.
So
but Hyderabad is 10 million.
10.5.
10.5.
It's not,
just a state.
It's more than your country even.
It's almost to be the population of my country, man.
Yeah.
Just imagine how
I've no clue about that before. I just thought it should
so
be
many
4
people,
million
man.
or 3 million, but 10.5 million.
And I used to think whenever I go. This was the misconception I was having about Hyderabad. I used to think Hyderabad it's a state mostly for Muslim people.
No.
But now, see, the highest, I used to think the highest religion is Muslim. I used to think like that. I know other religions are there, but I used to think that the highest one is Muslim. But it's Hinduism.
But in which year this video? Let's check.
This video is 1 year back only. Still,
Yeah, still new.
So this is really something new to know.
I have no clue
about
that
Hyderabad,
before.
Pakistan is a small place. They have even like 1 million.
Yeah.
1.9 something.
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5
Yeah, I
million.
don't think it's a big state there because they have Islamabad, which is the capital city,
Yeah.
Karachi and Lahore. Those are the three biggest
At the top.
cities, the top cities of Pakistan that you famous and known where
Yeah.
foreigners usually visit that. But it's first time to know that. Like
Even
I
the
said,
criminal rate, it's close to each
criminal
other.
rate is similar,
Yeah.
though the population is different,
Yeah.
but it's similar.
56.9.
And that one is 53.
That's
53.
why
Pakistan
the police in
53.
Hyderabad is little road.
Yeah?
The police.
Police security in Hyderabad is so tight, guys.
Yeah.
Because I still remember even how they treat foreigners there. Like they are not that bad to foreigners, but they always check people. Like if they find me like I'm a foreigner, right?
Yeah.
They will ask where is your visa, where is your passport. They have to check everything. Just normally, if police find you anywhere, they will ask you about that.
Yeah.
And because if they find you, you are against the violation of visa rule. Yeah,
It's a
because
big
of
problem.
crime, a lot of crimes are happening there in that
So
city.
It's big town and big city.
But
that's
you
why.
know, I like that city, like Hyderabad. Those people, they are so good in cooking, man.
Yeah.
Food, man.
Even Sudanese
Yeah.
restaurant.
If you want to find best food in India,
Go to Hyderabad.
yeah, let's say if you are in South India, Hyderabad is the place. If you are in North India, okay, North India also, most of them, they are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hyderabad for South India, for
Hyderabad.
Andhra Pradesh,
Wow.
go to Hyderabad.
Yeah. You know, they speak Telugu because they were as Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
But they separated from
Andhra.
Andhra, they became Telangana, and Andhra became separate.
Yeah.
That's why most spoken language is
Telugu.
Telugu. But now most of Hyderabad people also they speak Hindi,
Hindi, yeah.
and Urdu.
Yeah. Most
So
of them.
let us
and
know.
Arabic also.
Yeah, Arabic also they
Yeah.
speak. So thank you so much. Let us know more, guys, and tell us what maybe we don't know about Pakistan or Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So love from Africa. Kindly
Like,
support our channel, guys.
Share.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.